your daily English speaking practice. Unlock your speaking. Hi, I'm Mark, and I'm here to help you become a fluent English speaker. Together, we will gain grammatical accuracy by practicing core sentence structures, improve your pronunciation by repeating everyday expressions, and expand your vocabulary. Believe me, just 10 to 15 minutes of daily practice makes a huge difference. So, let's unlock your speaking. Today, we will practice present perfect tense. We will cover core present perfect sentences using just, already, still, and yet, using ever and never, using so far, lately, recently, since, and for, present perfect in the passive voice, and present perfect with superlative adjectives. Are you ready? Let's do it! Remember, to get the best results, speak out loud during the pauses. Don't just repeat the sentences in your head. Present perfect tense. Repeat after me. Tom has lost his key. Tom has lost his key. Jim hasn't eaten lunch. Jim hasn't eaten lunch. Have you eaten today? Have you eaten today? I haven't seen you all day. Where have you been? I haven't seen you all day. Where have you been? He's helped me a lot. He's helped me a lot. Have you told anyone about us? Have you told anyone about us? Ow, I've cut my finger. Ow, I've cut my finger. He has gone to Italy. He has gone to Italy. Have you called your boss? Have you called your boss? I've always wanted to be a doctor. I've always wanted to be a doctor. I've traveled by train many times. I've traveled by train many times. Have you seen Tom today? Have you seen Tom today? Have you prepared for the meeting? Have you prepared for the meeting? Sorry, I haven't had free time. Sorry, I haven't had free time. Have you sent that email we talked about? Have you sent that email we talked about? Why have you decided to quit? Why have you decided to quit? What have you done today? What have you done today? How long have you studied English? How long have you studied English? How many burgers have you eaten? How many burgers have you eaten? How long have you known Mary? How long have you known Mary? How much money have you spent? How much money have you spent? Where have you been this week? Where have you been this week? Using just, already, still, and yet. Repeat after me. I'm not hungry. I've just had lunch. I'm not hungry. I've just had lunch. Hi, have you just arrived? Hi, have you just arrived? Don't worry, I've already paid it. Don't worry, I've already paid it. The teacher has already arrived. The teacher has already arrived. She's already left. She's already left. I have already checked my email. I have already checked my email. The mail still hasn't come. The mail still hasn't come. Mary hasn't come yet. Mary hasn't come yet. I haven't seen Sarah today yet. I haven't seen Sarah today yet. Has it stopped raining yet? Has it stopped raining yet? What have you done? Don't worry, I've done nothing yet. What have you done? Don't worry, I've done nothing yet. Have you checked your email yet? Have you checked your email yet? Using ever and never. Repeat after me. Have you ever met him before? Have you ever met him before? Have you ever taken an English class? Have you ever taken an English class? Have you ever driven a Ferrari? Have you ever driven a Ferrari? Have you ever given flowers to her? Have you ever given flowers to her? Have you ever been to China? Have you ever been to China? I've never been to Italy. I've never been to Italy. We've never had a pet. We've never had a pet. He has never driven a car before. He has never driven a car before. I have never been on a roller coaster. I have never been on a roller coaster. Have you ever wished you were someone else? Have you ever wished you were someone else? I've never seen this woman before. I've never seen this woman before. Using so far, lately, recently, since, and for. Repeat after me. I haven't met Johnny Depp so far. I haven't met Johnny Depp so far. There haven't been any problems so far. There haven't been any problems so far. Have you heard anything from Ben recently? Have you heard anything from Ben recently? How have you been lately? How have you been lately? Have you tried anything new lately? Have you tried anything new lately? I have been here since 9 o'clock. I have been here since 9 o'clock. He has lived here since 2019. He has lived here since 2019. They haven't talked to each other since last July. They haven't talked to each other since last July. It's been cold for the last 3 days. It's been cold for the last 3 days. We haven't seen each other for a long time. We haven't seen each other for a long time. We have been there for 10 minutes. We have been there for 10 minutes. Present perfect in the passive voice. Repeat after me. The email has been sent. The email has been sent. The photos have been taken. The photos have been taken. That has already been done. That has already been done. She has been told what to do. She has been told what to do. The road is closed. There's been an accident. The road is closed. There's been an accident. Present perfect with superlative adjectives. Repeat after me. This is the best dinner I've ever eaten. This is the best dinner I've ever eaten. What's the longest you have ever slept? What's the longest you have ever slept? The biggest city I've ever been to is New York. The biggest city I've ever been to is New York. He is the nicest person I've ever met. He is the nicest person I've ever met. It was the most expensive jacket he's ever had. It was the most expensive jacket he's ever had. What's the longest you've ever been sick? What's the longest you've ever been sick? It's by far the best coffee I've ever had. It's by far the best coffee I've ever had. It's the most boring movie I've ever seen. It's the most boring movie I've ever seen. What's the strangest food you've ever eaten? What's the strangest food you've ever eaten? That's it. Are you still here? Awesome. We've covered everything we planned. Great job. Are you feeling a bit tired? If so, that's great. It means your brain and your speaking muscles have had a proper workout and you are one step closer to fluent English. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time.